Do you want to learn how to use TikTok to sell out your product and take your business to the next level? Then stick around, because in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact way to use TikTok's powerful platform to turn your viewers to buyers. So if this sounds like the kind of video you're interested in, then keep watching. But if you're seeing my face for the first time, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, hi, I'm Rachel Bryan on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, and on Facebook. You're welcome. Join the family. And my race stars, yes, my subscribers, I call them race stars because they are star. So if you want to be among the stars, subscribe and join the family. My race stars, thank you for always coming back. So I'm back. Just like I promised that I won't only teach you how to import products. I won't only teach you how to start an online business. I'm also going to show you how to sell out your business. And TikTok is the platform for today. TikTok is the platform for today. I know you'll be wondering, why TikTok? Why not Instagram? Why not Facebook? Okay, I'm going to explain that. First of all, you need to be aware that TikTok have 1 billion active users daily. I'm not talking about the users on TikTok. I'm talking about active users, those that are actively using the platform daily. And that gives rise to viral videos, reaching more audience without you even running sponsored ads. Like, you can get your video can go viral at any point because people are always active on the platform. And once your video goes viral, it's not just limited to your reach. It's everybody. Anyone can find your video, even though they are not your followers. So this is a good platform for business owner to promote their businesses. I've seen some business profile that have gone viral on TikTok and they sell out. Like, I know of someone, right? I know of a product that she was promoting, and this product have millions of views. The day she reviewed her revenue, how much she made from the product she was talking about on that video, I was shocked. Like, things are happening. I know there are most videos that have gone viral, and some of my videos have gone viral too, and I also made money, though those ones are digital products. But if you're also doing physical product, you can also sell out your products. I've bought products from TikTok Live. Like, if I scroll through my TikTok Live now, if there are 10 active people online, like those that are live, 10 of them, 7 of them are selling a product online, and guess what? People are buying. So this is a platform you should jump on. You should jump on TikTok. If you've tried Instagram sales and it's not working, if you've tried Facebook and it's not working, TikTok is where it's happening. So if you're not there, you should go there now. I know the next thing will be like, oh, I don't have an account, I don't know how to set up. This is it. Go to your app store and download TikTok, either on Google Play Store or on your Apple Store. Download TikTok and install, register it. Then the next thing we should look at is setting up your account. Setting up your account. This is what you need to do, right? Yeah, not just to create the account and leave it like that. No, you have to optimize it so people can find you. And the first thing to do is to work on your username. Your username should be either your name or your business name, your brand name, your store name. Either your name or your store name, your brand name, your business name. It should be that. Then the next is name. The name there, you don't have to come and repeat the same thing. You see, that space for name is a very good space for people to find you. So what you're going to do, if you're a perfume vendor, the space for name, you're going to change it to perfume vendor in importation coach, hairstylist, content creator in, you get? So your username should be what your business is about. This help people to search for you. This help people to find you easily. So if I just go on TikTok now and search perfume vendors in Port Harcourt, your video should be able to, your page should be able to pop up. Or perfume vendors in Africa, your page should be able to pop up. So that is the essence of using that. Don't repeat the username and the name to be the same. No, don't do it that way. Just look at what I'm showing you on the screen. Don't do it that way. The next you should also look at is your logo, right? Your profile picture. So your profile picture could be a personal picture of yourself, or your logo, your company, your business logo could be that. The reason for that is so people will get to know the brand that they are working with. So if it's your personal picture, it's still professional and it's also build trust. At least they know the face of the person that is selling that product. If it's your logo too, it's not bad, it's still fine. Next you should look at is your bio. Okay, just look at how it's on the screen now. Your bio should be able, like if I come to your page, let's say I search for perfume vendors in Nigeria and I find your page, your bio should be able to tell me what you do. Your bio should tell me what you do, even without me going through your videos to find out what you do. So your bio should be, should have all your products. Your bio should have your products. It should have the names of your products and your location. Yes, it should also have your location, and there should be there should be a call to action in your bio. What do I mean by call to action? Call to action are things that prompt people to take an action at that moment. So it could be buy now, it could be click here to shop, it could be click here to register. So those are the call to action. So after I have seen that your bio has a perfume vendor in this, we sell this kind of stuff, we sell jewelry, we sell beauty, whatever, in so location, click here to buy. So you can have links to your Instagram page attached to it, or links to your online shop if you have any attached to it, or link to even your WhatsApp attached to your bio there. So there is a link, there is a space for you to add that. After you've added your call to action, your page is set. The next thing is for you to create viral content. So what are examples of viral content, or content that videos that can help make you sell like crazy on TikTok? The first is demo video. Demo video talks about you demonstrating how your product is being used, right? You're telling me to buy a particular product, let's say a smartwatch, and I don't know how smartwatch works, so I will not want to buy. But if I see a video of you showing me how it works, what is being used for, and all of that, I will be pushed. Even if I had no plans to buy, I might be pushed to buy that product because I'm seeing a video of you showing me how to use it. That is one. You have to let your audience know what your product is about by creating a demo video, demonstrating what the video is used for, how to take care of the product, what not to do with the product, what to do with the product, all those kind of stuff. There are videos that goes viral, so you should include that when you're creating your videos, right? So your first video, you can also pin your video, right? If you want me to make a video on how to do that, you also let me know about it. Drop a comment and I will make a video on how to do that. You can pin your first 3 videos. The first could be how to use your video. That's a demo video. The second could be before and after you've used your product, and the rest of it maybe reviews from clients, right? That should be your first 3 videos. Make sure you pin them. If you don't know how to pin, let me know. I will make a brief video on how to do all of that. The next video you should create that will help you go viral on TikTok are before and after. If you go on TikTok now and search for before and after videos, you see that those kind of videos do have a lot of views. Like, people are always trying to see what the after is like, what I ordered versus what I got, before you start using the product, after you start using the product, before they start making my hair and after I finish making my hair, before I did my nails and after I did my nails. Those kind of videos too still goes viral. So that is another video that you need to include when you're creating content for your brand, for your business. The third is you jumping on trends. You jumping on trends. Those videos goes viral. Jumping on trends. What's the latest challenge that is happening now? Which one are people doing? What sound is trending? What hashtag is trending? This is very, very important. So check the song that is trending, right? You can use that. You can use your for you page to find out the sound that is trending. select it and use it on your videos. The challenge that is trending, there's this other one that with that sound. Okay, so I'm going to drop some clips of trending audio. So I was actually recording and my phone went off. I was talking about TikTok ads and using influencers. TikTok ads and using influencers. TikTok ads is the latest now. Like, it's what is converting. It converts more than Instagram and Facebook ads, and everyone is running to TikTok now to run their ads. It's very, very easy to set up. The reason why TikTok ad is so nice is because you have a target audience in mind by age, location, interest, and once you just set up your ads, it's very, very easy and it converts a lot. Like, you can set up your ads with just little amounts, let's say 3,000 naira, and you get a lot of conversion. If you want me to make a video on how to set up a TikTok account, then you should let me know in the comments. Just let me know, type it in the comment so I can make that video for you. And one more thing, if you've watched video until now and you have not subscribed to my channel, no, you're not doing it right. Pause now and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, give it a thumb up. It makes YouTube know that people are interested in this video and it shows it to more people. Go ahead and like this video for me. Okay, back to TikTok. If you're interested in the ads, just let me know and I will make a video about it. If you also want to learn how to use TikTok as a whole, you can also send me a DM on Instagram, on TikTok at Rachel Brian, or you drop a comment here and I will respond to you immediately. I can help you set everything up and also guide you on how to make more sales on TikTok aside selling physical products, both digital products too. How to create content. I have a full course on content creation. You can enroll for it. Okay, so my video went off. I was actually talking about TikTok ads, that if you're using TikTok ads, your audience will be targeted based on age, location, interest, right? So you're not just sending out video to everyone. You know those that you want to get your product and you target them based on that. So that is what TikTok ad does for you. If you can do that too, then you should go ahead, right? You can use your MasterCard, you can use Visa card to run it, and you can run it from any country at all. If you need help on that too, you can as well contact me, Rachel Brian, the name on the screen, right? You can find me on Instagram or TikTok and message me there, or you drop a comment and I'm going to make a video on how to do that. All right, the next we'll be looking at is using influencers, right? Influencers have a way of making people trust your products, right? So they have their audience, they have people that believe in them, they have people that trust them to always recommend good products. So if you can have access to any influencer at all, then it's fine, you can do that, because once they hold your product and say something about it, it will lead to massive sales. Yes, it will, because they already have the audience that trust them and trust any products they bring on board. All right, so the last I'll be talking about, in all your caption, that is your video caption, make sure you add a call to action. A call to action, like I said before, what you want them to do. If you want them to buy now, then you add it. If you want them to register now, add it at the end of all your caption. And I'll also advise your prices should be on the product. It helps motivate people to buy faster. Or if you don't even want to add the prices, it's still okay too, but there should be a call to action on each of your product, and that will help you to sell out. So now I've given you all the tips on how to sell out using TikTok powerful platform. Which of this method would you want to try? Which of the steps I gave to you would you want to include in your videos or in your page? Which of them would you want to include? Let me know in the comments. So with this, we've come to the end of the video. I hope to see you in the next one. You can check out other of my social media tips playlist and watch other ways you can sell out your products. And if you want to learn how to import from China, I also train on how to import from China. I have been doing the business for 5 years. So you're coming to learn from a coach with 5 years experience that can teach you how to import your products from China down to your country. All right, guys, see you in my next one. Bye.